guys, back for another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing something very new I never did before. It's my very first unboxing. Oops. Sorry, friends and family. I'm clumsy. Some of you guys know. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing hatchimal glow-ups. And I'll load them up for ya. All we have to do is get opening. Now let's see, how do you open this? Ah! Okay guys, I'll be right back and I'll get some like scissors or something. Dandy Lanny. What I usually say is don't cut yourself. I did it before. I was bleeding so much, but it healed up, so right there, it's okay. I don't even have a scar anymore, so yeah. Ask an adult to help you if you're under my age or something like that. And yeah, my mom lets me use scissors like all the time. Okay, got one side, the other side. Now let's drag you. So that's everything that has to be opened. This is hard. For my first unboxing, I recommend it okay. But you guys probably recommend it. Embarrassing. As some of you guys know, I'm not from here. So I don't know anything about hatchimals, glow-ups, because this is my first time opening it. I know the regular hatchimals. Oh, no, this one. Get this out of the package. If I can. Try to tear this open. Okay. Not bad. As you can see, a little hatchling. Never opened me, so it's kind of hard. Oh. I just squeeze it. Whoa, don't make them jelly. What's wrong with that? Oh, the bottom just fell off. So let me see the packaging. See who I got. Twilight Kitty Cat. No, I don't have her. I have Nightfall. Ooh, Nightfall. To the Nightfall. Can you take the wings out? Curious. Ooh. This is Twilight. She's so cutie. Let me go turn off the lights. Be right back. Lights on, lights on, lights on, lights on. I'm scared of the dark, so yeah. Don't judge me. Won't be doing that often. But when I notice her head blinks, I showed you on camera. Look it. Hold her jiggle. That's the end of today's video. Give it a like and subscribe. And see y'all next time, 7 Supergirl fans. 7 Supergirl boy. No, 7 Super boys. Whatever. I'm just doing a new touch. Okay, let me restart this. Thanks for watching, 7 Supergirl fans and 7 Superboy fans. Like and subscribe. And that's the end of today's video. Bye. I love you all.